Hi, good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, I'll just present my screen. We'll have a look at what you did last time, the quiz, and then I just have a couple of things to show you. Then that's going to be the session. Okay, so just hold on 1 second. I'll just share my screen. Yep. Uh, okay, so you guys, if you can quickly tell me the answers to these, then it will be nice. Where is the error in this sentence? Anybody can answer. Have all of you done this quiz? Can anyone answer? Hello. Have you guys done this quiz, ma? How many of you haven't done this quiz? Did you go through these videos last week in Moodle? Videos and quizzes. Nobody is responding. Can you guys hear me?
Sir.
Ah, can we quickly go through these questions?
Yes, sir.
Ah, what did you mark for this?
No error, sir.
No error. See, working at jobs and it says have become. That is the problem. Working has become has to be there. It's not have become, has become. Okay, so the error is D. This is D part of the sentence from here to here. Correct? That is the error in the sentence. Subject verb agreement. Next one. Symptoms of this illness that warrant a doctor visit includes fever, vomiting, and diarrhea, as well as loss of appetite. Same thing. If you see, symptoms is plural, the verb is includes, which is wrong. Symptoms is plural, so it has to be include. That is the problem in the sentence. Answer is B. What is the problem with this sentence? Easy.
Effect.
It's not affect, it is effect. EFFECT. Okay, right. Next one. Either Lisa or Karen. Now, whenever you have either, neither, you see Lisa is singular, Karen is also singular, which is separated by either and or. Okay, so it cannot be their valuable time, it has to be her valuable time. HER. Okay, so C is the issue over there. This one, easy. Work as quick as you can. Is that correct? It has to be. Is this quick correct over here?
Quickly, sir.
Yeah, it has to be quickly because quickly is an adverb. Work is the verb. So quickly has to be an adverb. So answer is A. Okay. Sentence completion is just fill in the blanks. So we'll go to that question. What is the answer for this? Challenges must be. What did you guys choose for this? Challenges must be overcome. Correct? Huh? To realize the potential. What about this? I have never. What did you guys choose for this? I have never come across such a problem, therefore, confess I have no ready made answer to it. What about this one? Easy. The news is too good. What is the answer, Ma?
To be true.
Yeah, it's too good to be true. Right. We know this clearly. What's the correct answer? Correct preposition. At, from, to, what will come? At a disadvantage. You're always at a disadvantage. Right. You guys don't have to put that you're present over here, man. I'll send you a Google form for attendance. Okay, what about this one? The minister must be made. Every minister must be made. What's the answer for this? If he should be made accountable. Yes, very good. Okay, sentence correction. Come on. Last 5 questions. The small child does whatever his father. What's the correct answer? Does is simple present tense. So can you use was done over here?
Yes.
You have to change that also to the same tense. Does. What about this? The man to who I sold my house was a cheat. Is it correct? Who I sold? You have to change this to whom I sold. But how do you know when to use who and when to use whom? See, you try and answer this question. Okay, if you ask a question, I sold my house to whom, if you say, okay, so the answer would be I sold my house to him. Now if you get him as the answer, then you are supposed to use whom, whom. Whereas if you get he is as the answer, then you use who. Okay, that's the logic. What about this one? I need not offer any explanation regarding this incident. My behavior. What did you guys mark?
Speak for itself.
Speaks for itself. Very good. Next one. Performance of our players was rather. So I expected the performance to be good, but something else happened. So there is a comparison over here. So you should change this. Here it is superlative. Worst is superlative, which is wrong. You have to change it to a comparative degree. That is worse than I had expected. B, isn't it? Next one. Why did you not through? Is this correct? Why did you not? What should it be? It should be, why did you not throw? Correct, because it's a question. Okay, so those were the answers. Now, I just want to give you an idea of what kind of reports I get for this. Now, when you're attending these quizzes, please make sure you answer all questions, because if you don't, then it shows 0%. Lots of people haven't attended the quiz till now. See, this person, Visaka, has attended it 3 times, but still it shows not completed. I don't know why. Probably you didn't answer even, maybe you didn't answer one particular question. So I'll just show you, each question's answer is also showed to me. See, this person has not answered the first question, not answered many questions. I don't know why. There is no tick anywhere. That's the problem. See, those who have completed, it shows 100%. Okay, or 86%. So you get the grades. So if you do not attempt one question also, it shows 0%. Okay, that is the problem. So please make sure that you attend all the questions. Okay, and one more thing. Just hold on one second.